Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transform into the iconic Billie Eilish. So with my blue contacts and wig ready, we are going to start off by filling in the eyebrows with a warm brown eye pencil. We want the eyebrows to start off straight and lead into an angular shape. Moving on to the eyes, apply a light pink eyeshadow onto the lids. Then take a warm brown and apply it to the outer corners of your crease. Then go back in with the pink eyeshadow onto the lower lash line. Then you're going to apply a shimmery white eyeshadow to the inner corners. This is all going to give you that boy beat style that Billie sports. Next, go in with a light brown eyeshadow pencil and line your lower and top lash line on the outer corners only to make your eyes appear bigger. Now Billie has these beautiful natural lashes, so to replicate them, curl your lashes upward and apply a generous but natural coat of mascara to the top and bottom. Next, to transform the face and to also get Billie's beautiful skin, apply a pale foundation to the high points of your face and blend it out. Then just add a little bit of rosy blush to your entire cheek for that flushed look. So for Billie's button nose, apply a cream blush to the top of your nose tip first, since she tends to get red there, probably from sun exposure. Then apply contouring to the sides of your nose and under it. Now apply a highlighter to the tip and nose bridge to complete the illusion, and once you're done, lightly contour the sides of your nose as well. Lastly, this step is totally optional, but to look more like her, I am contouring my nostrils with a brown liner to complete the button nose effect. Moving on to the lips, if you really want that pout, apply cotton to your top and bottom lip. Then take a pinkish nude lip pencil and line your lips with a pointed cupid's bow. Then fill it in lightly and then go back in with a heavier hand to the outer corners for a natural ombre look. So, this is me before, and this is me after. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that way I can see you in my next video.